Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Music. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and download download the Amazon Music for Artists. And basically, you're going to be able to see right here, this is the Amazon Music for Artists, yeah? And you're going to be able to reach to an audience and unlock opportunities and that empower artists to succeed however they define it. Basically, you're gonna be able to see the Amazon Music right here, and basically just like any other music app for artists, you're gonna be able to track your or pitch your new music and then speak to your fans and then dig into stats and keep your head or keep your brand fresh. And basically you're gonna be able, just like Google Ads, you're gonna be able to see the analysis of your last music, and you're gonna be able to see the interactions with the people, right? And if I want to go ahead to my browser and I want to listen to Amazon Music, there's 4 ways to actually pull this off, right? One of them is you need to listen to Amazon Music on your computer. Amazon gives you 2 ways to listen to music on your computer: in a web browser or using a desktop app. And if you want to listen to your in your browser, just navigate to the Amazon Music web player, and if you are not already logged in, sign into your Amazon account and you will instantly have access to the music and podcast Amazon has to offer depending on your tier of service. And then you can use the search field at the top of the page to look for specific songs, albums, artists, and musical genres, or you can use the tabs to discover music on the home page, explore podcasts, or see your library of a personal and curated playlist, right? And you have the another option, of course, to listen to your Amazon Music on your iPhone or your phone or using a mobile app. There is nothing quite as liberating as listening to music and on the go, and Amazon sets you in your music free with the mobile apps for iOS devices and Android. And once you install the app on your phone and sign into your Amazon credentials, you'll have access to the Amazon Music catalog, right? The third way is to listen to Amazon Music using Sonos. And if you have Sonos speakers, you can add Amazon Music and stream it throughout your home. To do that, start the Sonos app on your phone and then tap the settings icon at the bottom right, and then in the music and content section, tab or add service, and then tab Amazon Music, and then from the list tab add the Sonos, and from here sign in to your Amazon Music account and you are in business, right? The last thing is to listen to Amazon Music with Fire TV. Whether you have Fire TV or a Fire TV streaming device like a Fire TV Stick or a Fire TV Cube, you can use it by throughout your TV speakers while visualizing about the music appears on screen, which is especially cool for parties and other get-togethers. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.